Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super important, transferring your Bitcoin from Uphold to a Trezor hardware wallet in 2025. If you're all about keeping your crypto safe and secure, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Trezor is one of the best hardware wallets out there, offering top-notch security against hacks and online threats. Meanwhile, Uphold is a popular platform for buying and holding crypto, but moving your assets to a cold wallet like Trezor is a smart move to protect your investments. First things first, make sure your Trezor device is set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, download the Trezor Suite app on your computer and connect your device. Once that's done, open the app and navigate to the Bitcoin wallet section. Here, you'll generate a receive address. That's the unique string of letters and numbers where your Bitcoin will land. Write it down or copy it carefully. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. Next, hop over to your Uphold account. Log in securely and head to your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It might be under the Bitcoin asset page. Paste the Trezor wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, transactions on the blockchain aren't instant, so only send what you're comfortable with. Before you hit confirm, take a deep breath and verify everything. Check the address, the amount, and any fees involved. Network fees can vary based on blockchain congestion. Once you're good, approve the transaction. Uphold will process it, and your Bitcoin will be sent to the Trezor address. Now, the waiting game begins. Blockchain confirmations can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Trezor Suite app to see your Bitcoin safely tucked away. Awesome job! A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices secure. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital fortune securely. See you next time.